Welcome to the Midlife Style School, the podcast for women who want to elevate their personal style and life by design. I'm your hostess, Afton Porter, certified life coach and fashion stylist, known as the Chief Image Creator, helping high-profile women polish their image with standout style in their industry. Through our conversations and insight, I'll provide simple tricks and practices that will help take the stress out of getting dressed in the morning so you can start each day feeling empowered, confident, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Let's go. Hello. Happy New Year. We just had our company leave on Friday from Christmas and New Year's. We celebrated 3 birthdays and have been going strong for a couple weeks. So things are finally slowing down. Christmas is just about packed up and put away. I'm using this Sunday before January 8th to really sit down and finalize my goals for the next 12 weeks. I utilize the 12-week year. I don't set year-long goals. Typically, I focus on 90 days and what I want to accomplish in the next 90 days. And if you haven't read the 12-week year, it's a really great book to decide how you want to approach the next 90 days. And the reason why they do 12 weeks is because 1 year seems like such a long time. And if you know you have a year to accomplish that goal or to do that thing, whatever it is, then you tend to kind of be slow about it, not really, doing it as strong as if you had 90 days to get that done. And in doing so, you essentially have 4 opportunities to set these new goals. And then it's like you've had 4 years in 1 year and you accomplish way more than you had if you just set your goal for the year. So anyway, I wasn't really planning on talking about that, but if that's you and you haven't read that book, I highly recommend it for setting your goals. And that's what I've been doing today, is just really taking this Sunday to think about how I want the next 90 days to go. And us entrepreneurs who look at quarters, it's quarter 1. What do I want to accomplish? What do I want to do to serve my community, my followers, my email list? So those of you who've been on my email list, I just took the first 7 days in January and sent an advanced style series to them. And every day they got an email just serving, right? Just teaching, just loving and helping those who have raised their hand and said yes to be on my email list. Also, my goal is to be more consistent on producing weekly podcasts. So I'm usually pretty good, but every now and then I will miss a week. So my goal for 2024 term 1 is to really make sure that I am producing a podcast every week for you and to serve you. If you would like to tell me what topics you'd like me to talk on, send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. My email is team@styleguidesociety.com. What I wanted to talk about today was the color of the year. So every year, Pantone puts out a color of the year. They've been doing this for 25 years. It's their 25th anniversary. They have really come out to be the top color organization in the United States and in the world. Pantone colors, they're color experts, and they really work with different creatives that work with color throughout the world. And they really want to set a tone for the year's color. The color of the year, how it relates to me as a personal stylist, is I'm going to see this color out in the stores for clothing. The color of the year is always a top color. It also plays out in other areas of color, such as home decor. You're going to be seeing this color inside homes, paint, fabrics, curtains, pillows. A lot of times, these colors of the year are more of an accent color where it's more of a trending color and they switch out every year. And it's a way to freshen up a home or your closet. Now, this year's color of the year is not for everyone, and that's okay if you're going to be wearing it. Of course, you can use this color in your home all you want, and it would be a really good bathroom color, actually. But when it comes to clothing, I'm going to limit the people who actually wear this near their face. What Pantone does when they come up with their color is that they have conversations all year long. What does the world need in terms of color? We know, if you've been listening to this podcast, color is powerful. The clothes we wear, what we surround ourselves with, they mean something. There is psychology to color, and Pantone, these color experts, understand that. And so they want to be very intentional about the colors that they put out. The color of the year for 2023 was Viva Magenta. The year before, I believe, was two colors. It was a bright yellow and a gray. Oh, no, Very Perry was 2022. And they actually created that color. They created a brand new color called Very Perry for 2022. And then 2021, which was after the 2020 fiasco, was two colors. Was the first time they've ever had two colors. It's normally one. I love to follow the color of the year, and I think it's fun to share with you. Here we go. Drum roll. Color of the year for 2024 is peach fuzz. Yes, peach fuzz is the color that they chose. I just want to stress really quick that they didn't just meet into a little room and then decide on a color. I mentioned it for a second earlier, but they do have conversations on what they want the color to be, what they feel like the world needs. And it's not just one person or one group of people in a room one time that vote on it. It's a very intentional decision. I'm going to tell you what they said that they want the color to mean. So it's from the Pantone website for the color of the year. Okay, so they're calling this color subtly sensual. Peach fuzz is a heartfelt peach hue, bringing a feeling of kindness and tenderness, communicating a message of caring and sharing, community and collaboration, a warm and cozy shade highlighting our desire for togetherness with others, or for enjoying a moment of stillness and the feeling of sanctuary this creates. They go on to say that peach fuzz presents a fresh approach to a new softness, an appealing peach hue softly nestled between pink and orange. Peach fuzz inspires belonging, recalibration, and an opportunity for nurturing, conjuring up an air of calm, offering us a space to be, feel, and heal, and to flourish from. It goes on, and if you want to read more about it, you can go to their website. That is the color that you are going to be seeing. So be looking for peach fuzz starting this spring in your homes, in clothing. If you are wanting to wear peach fuzz, who would be ideal for this color? So if you've had your color code done with me, you know the 6 color codes I work with: light, deep, cool, warm, clear, and soft. The people that I would recommend peach fuzz for, so if you're a deep, peach fuzz would be pretty on you. A soft, a light, not so much for a clear and not for a cool. I would put warm, peach fuzz on warm. So really the cools, I would not put a peach fuzz on you, and clear would not. If you look good with a tan color, this probably is a color that you can wear. And I feel like this color is the color of the season of the year because it does go really well with all the neutrals and simplicity and minimalism in the decor in the style world. Also, I've seen a lot of neutrals that translating and breaking into the personal style right now, especially with a lot of the tans and the camels. So peach fuzz is just like a really complementing color that goes well with that. So if those colors look great on you, peach fuzz would be a great color to accent with. If you have a lot of neutral colors in your home, you could use some peach fuzz pillows, throw blankets, candles, things like that. If you put on a tan or a camel and you look washed out, I would not recommend a peach fuzz color. Now, you could use maybe another color peach that's maybe has a little bit more color to it so you don't look washed out. Peach fuzz is the color of the year. We're probably going to see a range of colors within that peachy tone. So, all the way up to the oranges and the pinks, right? So, is there a peachy orange color that does look good on you? You can lean more towards that and still feel like you're going towards that trend or that color. Maybe you have something in your closet that you can wear that would show that you are in the know of what colors are trending without having to buy any additional pieces. But if you do have to buy any new accessories for your home, you could lean more towards peach fuzz. I do want to let you know that I am teaching a workshop. It starts on January 23rd, and you are invited. It's a completely complimentary workshop that I would love for you to attend if you are wanting to elevate your image and your style so that you can show up online or in person with more style, be memorable, and attract your ideal clients using the power of personal style. All right. Until next week, think like a style icon. Bye bye.